Going to do a quick replacement on my Ford Ecosport. So this intercooler hose here keeps missing oil, as you can see here. So just got a new one here to replace it with. That's what I'm going to do. So probably I'll need to remove all of this intercooler pipes here to be able to remove that. So all of these ones are, this one is loose, that one is loose, that one is loose, and I removed the bolt from here and here. Now I can just pull it off. So I removed it here. Ooh. And that's the old one, and I'll remove the clamps from here and put on a new one, which is here. But first I'm going to disassemble this hose here with this one, probably that one as well, this one there, and then I'll remove the intercooler to give it a clean. Okay, now the intercooler is removed and all the pipes there as well. Oh, there's a lot of space here. So now I'm going to give it a clean. I'm gonna go indoors because I need some products to clean the inside of it. It's not just water. And then I'll come back here to put it all back, or maybe disassemble more. I don't know, we'll see. Yeah, I just decided to have a look at the turbo, and cannot show you, but there is no play, which is good. I can show you that. Whoop. There you go. It's a tiny one, so yeah, there is no play there. If anyone wants to give me a bigger turbo, feel free to get it with the remap as well. Yeah. I don't know what you guys say now. Yeah, but keep dreaming. Don't worry, this is not oil. I just cleaned it. Just checking the hose pipes. Yeah, everything seems healthy. Yeah, I ended up removing the intercooler, which is right there, being dried. I mean, yeah, catching some time. All the hose pipes. And yeah, now I need to replace this one still. We'll get on it now. I just put the intercooler back in there, as you can see. So now I'm just going to put the rest back, which is all the pipes. So yeah, catch you in a bit.